Here with Sean Duffy, and we're talking about if you are injured while working on a job site, you probably have a case.
Workers need to understand that they have rights under the labor law, and these rights were fought for by the union leaders over the course of time. And the labor law protects the injured worker from gravity-related injuries. By that I mean falls from a ladder, falls from a scaffold, falling objects, falling through an open stairway that's not completed. The law is very, very strong on these issues in favor of the injured worker. Workers are often concerned that their boss or their future boss in future jobs will be angry with them because they brought a lawsuit. Understand that my firm will never sue the employer. So if you're worried about somehow your boss getting angry at you for bringing a claim that's within your rights to bring, that's a false concern. Don't worry about that. The claims that we'll file will be made against other contractors at the site, depending on the facts of the case. Understand also that there are overlapping insurance policies for nearly every contractor and subcontractor on the site, if everyone's doing their job. Those will most likely be the source of recovery for you. It'll never come from your business. Workers' compensation provides for your lost earnings up to a certain extent and your medical treatment up to a certain extent. If you're a member of a union, you will also receive union benefits, but you won't get money for pain and suffering. The lawsuit that I'm talking about is for your pain and your suffering and your loss of enjoyment of life. If someone told you they were going to break your leg and then pay for the medical expenses and pay your lost wages, you still would say, no, don't break my leg. No one would take that deal, because of the pain and suffering you'd have to go through while you recover. The reason why we have the law is to make sure that you get compensation for that aspect, for those damages.
So when it comes to falling off a ladder or something on a job site, you would recommend that they come and see you because the insurance agencies are basically working it out behind the scenes.
They should come and see me for a number of reasons. Witnesses' memories get stale. Job sites change very quickly as new work is done. It's very helpful to have photographs of the scene where the incident occurred. I know that's not always possible. It's very helpful to have statements from witnesses who may have seen something relating to the accident that occurred, either a fall or a trip and fall or a falling object. That testimony or those statements from those witnesses can be also very helpful. Understand that by the time the job is over, people have gone over to the next job, files have been put away, and evidence is lost. So it's very important that you talk to an attorney early on while you're recovering from the incident. It doesn't cost anything to talk to us, and we'll never sue your boss.
Okay, thank you, Sean.